Hi, my name's Holly. Welcome to the Industrial Welding program. Follow me, I'll show you around. MITT's 10-month Industrial Welding Certificate program will provide you with the cutting-edge training to work in one of Canada's most in-demand trades. You'll learn how to design and build a variety of custom fabricated projects using a variety of metals and welding methods, including arc, MIG, TIG, and oxyacetylene, all in our authentic welding fabrication shop. Courses include arc welding procedures, metal design fabrication and oxyacetylene procedures, MIG welding procedures, applied specialties and qualifications, introduction to TIG welding. The program is affiliated with the Canadian Welding Association and the Canadian Welding Bureau, and students who successfully complete the program can earn select certifications through CWB. You'll also be eligible to receive your Level 1 apprenticeship accreditation, providing you with the skills and certification required to start your career as an apprentice welder in Manitoba. MITT Career Services Work Skills Series will also provide employability skills training, helping you transition into a career after graduation.